Hello friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. Today I am going to share you the model question paper of English semester 1. Okay, so first you are going to get correct the following sentences. Sindhu don't know English. So that we need to rectify that Sindhu doesn't know English. Yukta has consulted an advisor already. So Yukta has consulted an advisor already. Narendra prefers lemon tea than black tea. Narendra prefers lemon tea to black tea. Yoga classes is conducted every Saturday. Yoga classes are conducted every Saturday. Mandira is practicing music for 5 years. Mandira has been practicing music for 5 years. So rearrange the sentences in proper sequence. Infanticide means the killing of children in the range of 0-6 years. Both social and religious factors are responsible for this practice in the society. Awareness and change of mindset in the society can solve this problem. Female infanticide is a menacing social issue. Law alone cannot put an end to this inhuman practice. So here we need to write female infanticide is a menacing social issue. Infanticide means the killing of children in the range of 0-6 years. Both social and religious factors are responsible for this practice in the society. Law alone cannot put an end to this inhuman practice. Awareness and change of mindset in the society only can solve this problem. After that we need to study this passage and need to answer this passage. Okay. So what is the right synonym of the indignant? That is annoyed or pleased or cheerful. Means we need to write as annoyed. Poise, imbalance, calm or agitation. It's calm. Why is self-image important? It is key to success or failure. How did Adler break loose from his belief in his own competence by his positive attitude? How is the creation of a self-image similar to the work of a hypnotist? For the power of hypnosis is the power of belief. How does negative thinking affect us? Negative thinking can limit us if we let it. So after that we need to expand. University results out. The university result is declared. Hijacker to surrender today. Hijacker will surrender today. Rainfall rises to 155. Rainfall is increased to 155. Steep hike in BMTC fare. The BMTC fare is increased. CBI cracks IMA fraud. The IMA fraud is revealed by CBI. Here we need to understand the proper idioms and phrase and need to fill it up. The thief dashed when he saw the police, took to heels when he saw the police. The dash at the venue is very less, see eye to eye. The officer assured to dash the matter, look into the matter. Harshita opted for managerial economics, many were open for her. Yoga is good practice, one has to practice it regularly. After that we need to, given this information, based on this we need to write a para. And then let's move on to the course book. First we need to write about Joe and Delia meet for the first time. They meet at the atelier. Second, why was the doorbell was not welcome? Because it was Santoshi who was there at the doorbell. What does the chronicle do as depicted in sonnet 106? So the chronicle depict about the past beautiful ladies and handsome men. Okay, name any two games other than football where games cause ill will and animosity. It is boxing and okay, after that buying and selling is a trade. Who facilitated the fight IS testing of Agni V? That is 5. You can go through with the 1 marks of this. As you can see the questions, these are all the important. What does the author mean by choice fatigue? Means confusion regarding what to choose. Okay, any 4 of the following where you can write about service of love, acceptance and sonnet. If you want you can write about sporting spirit or else freedom and choice or else on buying and selling. By that you can write any 4. After that here you need to write any 1. So I suggest marriage as a private affair as a very good, and if you want to write you can write about Abdul Kalam's vision also. And apart from that, you are going to get freedom and choice, where you need to write about all various career options, entrepreneur options, etc. And even Khalil Gibran is a very good poem to write, that nature is kind and generous. So if you have not gone through with these stories, you can go through with my video in the playlist of BCom First Sem, where I have uploaded all the summaries of these all topics. I hope if this video is found helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be updated with all my latest notifications. And that is it. Thank you very much, and I wish you all a very best for your semesters.